Last one.
Jasmine Ko. Jasmine Ko. Jasmine is here. Ayun.
Join us here and claim your prize.
Sampong-sampong si Jasmine.
From Sunnywear.
Diba? Buti di ko umalis.
Let's
Alright.
take a photo.
Jasmine, congratulations. That's from Sunnywear. Palabakan naman po natin si Jasmine.
Thank you.
Thank you, Jasmine.
And our time's up.
Okay, so
We can now start.
after having our 15 minutes countdown for the preparation time, again, we would like to inform everybody that our competition will run for exactly an hour.
Alright. So make sure to impress our judges, okay? Let's start na. Again, ready na ba? Okay.
Competitors, are you ready? Ready na ba kayo, guys? Pwede man sabay-sabay namin marinig yung mga competitors natin. Are you ready? Ready. Alright, if you are all ready.
You can start now.
Wala pa. Alright, sige. Anong hinahanap natin?
Competitive talaga ang
Oo,
ating
diba?
mga team.
Dapat kompleto.
Oo, parang hindi. Hindi pa tayo mag-start kapag hindi pa complete.
Meron pa sila na nahanap. Sige, sige. Alright. Ayan, meron tayong request, no? Sige. By the way, meron tayong official timer then for the 1 hour, no?
1 hour.
Nakita natin yung timer natin dito
Para,
sa display.
para this is going to be fair for everyone.
Correct. Tapos every time sila nagluluto, pwede sila tumingin. Ay, di ba? 30 minutes na lang.
Para they are
Nakapag-ready
aware
sila.
of the time lang.
Yes. Eto, let's hand it out. Pamigay natin yung mga kailangan nila. Ito kailangan din nila. Spoon daw. Sino kayo?
Angelo Lumo.
Andrelo Lumo or Luno. Alright, 5, 4, 3,